EPLANT-Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to automatically place elbows, flanges and pipes. This command is useful when the path of the line has been defined using a line route. This method is used when the geometry of the line is a complicated one, with angles not of 90 degrees. Elbows are generated on line route segments, while flanges are placed against all unconnected flanged components. Pipes fill in the remaining gaps. First, we select the working line with the objective to analyze the associated piping class and build the three menus content. For each group, we select the specific component to generate. It shows the total number of components that have been generated. This one is a flange that was automatically generated against the valve.